Hey guys, it's me Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make date cookies. The ingredients are date paste, eggs, baking powder, butter, vanilla, cinnamon, icing sugar, and flour. The ingredients and measurements will be in the description box down below. But before we get on with the video, please follow me on Instagram. So let's get started. The first step is to add our icing sugar with our butter and knead it with our hands. So we're gonna keep mixing until the sugar fully dissolves. Now I'm gonna be adding my eggs and vanilla extract. Now that it's creamy and the sugar has been incorporated, I'm going to be adding my flour and baking powder slowly by slowly. Just fold it in. So in this bowl, we have our sugar, our flour, our eggs, our butter, and our baking powder, as well as vanilla. I've incorporated all of the flour into our butter mixture, and now I'm going to split it into 2 equal parts and put it in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's pop it in the fridge. Before we do that, let's cover it with cling film. I've added plastic wrap onto my surface. Then I've added on top of that my date paste, so the date paste does not stick to your surface. Then I'm going to take this part of the plastic wrap, place it over, and leave some space because we're going to flatten it out. And make sure it's 1 centimeter thick. Let's flatten it out first with our hands. So guys, I'm done spreading out my date paste with my hands and the rolling pin, and I've taken off the plastic wrap from the top so you can see it better. And it's around 1 centimeter thick. But before we get on with this video,
I have a challenge for you guys.
Can you guys like and subscribe in 5 seconds? Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. I've taken out the dough that has been chilling in the fridge for around 10 minutes, and I'm going to be flattening out onto our baking sheet. We're going to put this in the fridge and spread out the other part of our dough. So let's go. So everybody, our dough has got out from the fridge, and now it's time for the hardest part, to flip our date paste onto it using our clean wrap. So let's try. Now just try to fix it up a bit. I've trimmed down the date paste so that the cookie part is bigger, and also so the date paste doesn't get burnt in the oven. To give a nice smell and nice flavor, I'm going to be adding some cinnamon on the top. And now I'm done adding my cinnamon. Now it's time to add our other cookie part on top. I flipped it on, so now I'm going to be taking off the parchment paper. then I'm going to be adding some cinnamon on top as well. After you've added the other cookie part on top and the cinnamon, cut your cookies into whatever shape you want. I like mine into kind of rectangular squares. And now I'm just going to pop it in the oven, and the oven degree will be linked in the description box down below.